so today I'm going to be making the Fortnite treasure chest, and I'm going to start off with some Rice Krispie treats. This just is going to help it stand up. When you use big lumps of fondant, it'll tend to droop and kind of slouch down if you use like a really big piece. So this is just going to be like a little bit of a filler. And then I'm going to take my, kind of like a gold color, and put a lot of yellow, a little bit of warm brown, and some chocolate brown Emerald color. I've also added some CMC powder to that. And I will add a link below for all the tools that I use and the supplies that I use for this topper. So I'm just going to roll this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover the chest with it. So this is going to be the bottom. When you look at the chest, the sides kind of come out a little bit. I mean, we don't want it to be crazy lumpy, but if it has a few lumps, it's okay, because we're going to cover this again. I'm going to take some more fondant, and then I'm going to put 2 strips on the sides. I really like using this because you can actually just bend it and get like a clean cut like that. And so I'm seeing like a little gap right there, so I'm going to put a little bit of fondant on that. Now my side piece fits a little bit better, and I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Then I'm going to take my strip cutter. I'm just going to make that wood, like as if there's like wood, slots of wood in there. And also on the side as well. Try to make them somewhat even. And then I'm going to take this tool, and I'm just going to make the lines that wood would have. Do the same on the other side. Use the other side as well. It just gives you a little more control. So I'm going to take my strip cutter. I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure how wide I need these ones. Like that. This is going to be for the bottom part of the chest. I notice on the top of the chest that little wood slats kind of come out a little further. I'll just cut this in 3. Slats here. Then I'm going to use my fondant tool and just like make some lines. I'm going to start from the edges because that gives it a more realistic look. For this part, I really want to make this a little bit bigger, so I'm going to add some more fondant to that. Just make it a tiny bit taller. I'm going to measure how large I want my fondant to be on each side, and it kind of comes out a little bit. Now I'm going to use this Roxy Rich. It's chestnut, and I'm going to mix a little bit of cornstarch with it. It just dilutes it a little bit so it's not so strong. And then I just mix it. Tap off my brush. And this is going to give it a more realistic look. And just go right in the middle of the lines. So now that that's finished, I'm going to cut out the hardware. Now for this I'm using two different colors of gray. I'm using a darker gray and a lighter gray. And this is just going to give it a little more interest and a little more contrast. So I'm rolling out my fondant. And I'm going to cut two long strips for the that goes over the top of the chest. And the part where it opens up is going to get cut, so I'll just do that. And set that to the side. And I'm going to cut the large part that it's the lock in the center. I'm just going to hand cut that. It's not very difficult. It's kind of like a rectangle. Take a little tool and make the keyhole. Cut this with a paper knife. I'm going to cut the little screw. It's a number 10 cutter. I'm going to cut like a line that goes through them. So for the sides of the chest, we're going to make some little loops. And I'm just going to use a large piping tip to get the handle. Now this is a 125 Wilton tip. And then I've made two circles, and then I'm just going to scoot up a little bit. Kind of makes like a moon shape. Fold that over. I'm going to place it. I'm just going to make a little hole. So that's the appearance of a screw in there. And this. And then the other side. Now we're going to add some little, just like some little detail, like to make it a little weathered. And add these little rusty looking nails. I'm just using a number 5 cutter for these. I'm going to take a little roll tool and just press in the center. Now our last and final touch is we're going to add some edible luster dust just to give it the hardware a little bit of shine. So I'm going to use the Roxy Rich for the lighter color. And then we also have, this is called Smoky Gray, and this is edible luster dust as well, like pristine powders. I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla extract.